kanda bokwa nkaba sam no besi
biansi
but debia woma ye baha ye betna ha we are not at ease into debia onya bokwo
dade ye kwam
na so ye bokwa nkanda da you are celebrating maminchi etefu you are celebrating the 60 years on of a stalwart of UGCC NPP
Onye FM 95.1
60 years after his passing, you are eulogizing such a human being, a colossus in Ghana, young body politics, someone who wrote extensively on Ghana young culture. People learn as academicians and even those in law, they learn cases from him. Kobaneden. And another individual, one man, the fourth Republican dispensation. You open your mouth at the August House of Parliament to say, daughter ephemera. Yet, the same forum, you are eulogizing another individual. It's very sad. You see, yeah?
You are 95.1.
But on any no faten. There are places you speak certain words, and there are places you keep mute. Parliament. I don't know why minim say speaker saying here now you're outside because the mic can or capture anything yet say and now one or inside and one say I don't know. Because who said here we heard it.
Yes. But and speaker reacted. Funny though, but he reacted. But daughter of a murderer, way below belt. Charlie.
Yeah.
Charlie.
You say this somewhere.
Campaign biase.
Somewhere.
Agbesi eno kra no.
Somewhere.
Then the bema warrant such a comment.
Do you have evidence?
Then the bema warrant such a comment, even on campaign grounds.
Now you are trying to justify.
Only
it is on record.
You are record.
So
yes. Yeah boy. But you are there's evidence.
You are trying to justify. Justify what? That it's been documented.
Why he make his pronouncement?
I don't know, so I don't.
They say according to sources, but you can't be sure.
Of course.
Because we didn't see the person's face.
Of course. Yeah.
But what did the panel say? But there's evidence. It sounds like. It sounds like. Can't be sure. But it sounds like.
Okay. It was way below the belt. Would we as a people, Ghana, you bet me nya, the mutum, aqua catcher more from an hour wasn't crofun to bondrium. More from an hour and there, Yerka O'Reilly Yenreka, Yerka Adisco Yenreka, Yerka Cracker Yenreka, and there not.
Yes,
Salaga, 20 students watch one more bill. Yakoshoma, it true.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Onye FM 95.1.
From the vetting I basically this time around now, I don't think say the Omoye Parliament will ever well.
It true na fe yedru. Gun. Yesterday I was saying something. And look, yet you chrome ha na says ya mofromano. Wa bawon Parliament and a Jubilee House.
Oh yes. Ebedu ante.
Yet to come they will now begin to move to Jubilee House and then the Parliament.
Because I
don't know Obi. Say any da whole sort then walk of Parliament. Daddy come. I said
I said nothing.
Yet now it will not be an individual. Now it will not be an individual. It will be a tumultuous or a youth.
It was a dumb crowd to bomb no munguta secani a day diddly.
Dangerous.
95.
The American I am saying this for party. Wamu say wamo banwa America wamu de bani
away.
The people started running from the office themselves. So wamu started so mu jani every office so metuma muntu my baby. That is what will happen.
You see,
Ukra soldier for Jubilee but bedru anu na pe baby afa atasitasi ache.
Yeah. How many rounds of ammunition? And a true krukita. So if thousands of youth
look,
it will come to you.
May I say Makada Namnim Sahana Makana. I've been able to go to a Parliament, not intentionally to do that.
Okay.
Went with somebody and not a police. Yet to me the tour era Parliament.
Thank you.
Echo AM Rashabedjani back when you need in Como. The party to it was a
Thank you.
The yamshino.
No intentional.
No. Nipa de police.
Oh, okay, or a police officer.
Okay.
What I say? But found so when you do
Yes.
No.
Who say on say uniform? Yes, I know say uniform.
Okay.
One say uniform. Tia sanka ya check it. And I say because machines what?
So if based on this, they are vulnerable.
They are very vulnerable.
Manipa no sorry ya immediately or sorry ya ko ni leader how ko catch and say hey. Parliament TBB to me see.
Very vulnerable.
At the same time, that same person, meaning called Jubilee, no from Jubilee from security all the way to the top.
Without proper check.
All the way to the top.
Forget about.
Office sometime.
Forget about who he is.
See from no the 20 almost say me the 12 me the afro so from
forget about who he is or who he was. Security protocols, very simple. Inside certain installation, security war. So when you get there,
your phones,
na you when in Western region, I mean, as head of events and marketing, I used to visit in painful. Please, Commander, Western region. They be me what? I mean, they make it protocol. Me phone me BBR. I just have to because they will take it.
MC's office,
they will take. They took it. They didn't take the phone so.
But look,
they took it. But so on show the next minute when they bound, yeah, they are frozen.
You see,
well, my worry, and why I'm saying this is because you see, if these youth are behaving this way, political party in Crawford to office, I know be a boy. Sorry, P. Now you're at the home near the young carry when you bound on the stadium. Yakoba ball.
Near wo be
the second will be a kuno. Now a woo. Near to me a former minister immediate past.
Yes.
Who was a member of parliament?
95.1.
It's quite strange. I can say no Kayenchi supporters.
Former minister.
Yachi former minister Manra. They granted in bail 500,000 and they are home Tennessee. One year former minister, your former member of parliament do when you 500,000 bail.
Do you think if it were to be any
what
other
we are
person?
saying?
No,
Three.
The Akaway.
Me no yama bill.
And the Akaway.
Third one.
What them? What you oh no, ya charging for murder.
Yes, or assisting.
And your police for na say, Edin and Abeti, Edin and Abeti.
Yeah.
Manslaughter or
Aidin
and Abeti.
And I buy and your dime you so amount babe back who the them. So Jimmy.
So no, I'm sorry, police officer.
So Jimmy. I the security man.
I'm personal bodyguard.
So them say, wow. You see? Who them all?
That
one way man out, bodyguard in.
Share.